She's got a knack for hurting me. Is it the words she says? The only thing that keeps me here are her eyes in the morning. Well, I've packed my things 1,000 times. Oh, and I faked believe all her lies for the last time. The other day I drew myself a map so I can figure out your head. The canvas stripped with my sweat, blood, and tears, and she ate it every thread. Well, I've packed my things 1,000 times. Oh, and I faked believe all your lies for the last time. Take it or leave it, 'cause I'm really leaving. I've purchased my ticket to New York first thing in the morning, kissing you good morning and whispering goodbye. Take it or leave it, 'cause I'm really leaving. I've made up my mind this time. There's no coming back for you. Oh, there's no coming back for you now. Told her no purse was more important than the knowledge in her head. She grabbed her shit just like a baby and couldn't believe the words she said. The only thing I ever see her read are those dim gossip magazines that feed her head with all that nonsense, yeah. Says she can fit in with the scene. Well, I've